Hi, Logan here for Vacman.com, and today we're going to be talking about troubleshooting and maintenance on the Shark Rotator-powered lift-away canister vacuum. So let's start with maintenance. This machine is pretty easy to maintain. After every use, take off the dirt cup, hold it over a trash collection bin, and press the button on the bottom, and just give it a little shake, and that will let all the dirt out. Every 3 months, you need to take that off, lift this little plastic panel here, take off this foam filter and this felt filter, give it a wash under warm water, let it dry for 48 hours, and put it back in with the felt filter going in first, then the foam filter, then the plastic piece, and then the bin. And then the other piece of maintenance you have to do on this machine is cleaning off the power head, and that's very easy. You're going to hit the nozzle release button here and take off the wand. Then you're going to take the head and take a knife and line it up so that you can see this little groove right here. Stick a knife into that groove and just cut along. And just pull all that hair off, and it's ready to go. After that, you just reattach it, and you're ready to go vacuum again. Now, troubleshooting this machine is pretty simple. So if you're having issues with it, start by taking off the hose at this end and just turning it on and making sure that there's full suction at this outlet. If you don't feel a lot of suction there, all you need to do is first check to make sure your filter here is clean. If that filter is not clean, wash it. Another thing you could check is by pressing this top button here, opening up the top of the filter, and making sure this metal screen right here is clean. If that metal screen is not clean, that can affect the performance of the vacuum. Just take a damp paper towel and wipe that off. Give it about 20 minutes to dry and put it back in. After that, take off the handle from the wand, plug the hose into the vacuum, put the bin back on, and check to make sure you feel suction at the end of the hose. If you don't feel a lot of suction here at the end of the hose, then there's probably something blocked in your hose. And the easiest way to fix that is to take the handle of a broom and push it through the hose from this end and try to shake it and figure out where that clog is. If you give it a little bit of a push, a lot of times the clog will come right out. Another thing to check here on the handle is that you're in the correct suction mode. Make sure that you are in carpets which is the plus right here, if you are trying to clean carpets with that power head. Because if it's in the bare floor setting, that will lose about 20% of the suction. Also, ensure that you're on the carpet setting to activate that beater bar down there. And reconnect that, and this. And just check the wand, just visually look through it, make sure there's nothing blocked in there. And the last place to check for any issues is in the brush head itself. This is actually pretty easy to check. You're going to take a quarter and put it into each of these 3 white little screws, give it a quarter turn, and this whole black plate right here will just pop right straight off, and a lot of times there will be something clogged right in here. And in that case, you just pull it out and your vacuum will be ready to work again. If none of those solve your issues, give Shark a call. You have a 7-year warranty on this machine, and they should get you right back in business. This has been Logan here for Vacman.com. Thanks for watching.